Beyonce Baby's TV. So guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to prepare your party fried beans. But before you go straight into the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, match the notification bell. Whenever I post a new video, you are going to be the first person to be notified. And guys, for my all amazing return subscribers, I love you guys so much. Thanks, you guys always coming to support this channel. Without you guys, I won't be where I am today. And for my amazing newcomers, you guys are highly welcome into this amazing lovely family. This family is all about Beyonce Baby's lifestyle, cooking, vibing. In short, this channel is a nice channel for you guys. So guys, but before we go into the video, let's go straight into the video. In today's video, I'll be showing you that is my recipe on how to make your fried beans. That is, I'm trying to make this bean. Don't ask me why is it I'm making much of these beans, because I'll be preparing these beans to take it to a party. You know, it's a chef cook. It's going to be preparing some nice lovely beans to bring it to one party that I was being invited, and I was being asked to prepare beans. So I'm feeling happy that she could look up to me, say prepare me beans. So what I'll be preparing to take to this party is, that is my recipe on what I'll be using. That is my gizzard, already fixed and parboiled with some good spice. I will show you step how I do it, how this gizzard is going to be prepared in the beans. I have my paprika powder and curry, very important, curry. And also that is my Maggi and my seasonal Maggi. And I have some tomato already been sliced. I'll be showing you guys on how I'm going to be doing everything with the tomatoes. And I have my garlic and ginger already been blended. That is my beans. That is the beans I'll be using, and my oil. So guys, that is it for now. What I have to do is I have to cut off my basil. That is it. Slice it off, because I do really need it. I love this one. This one is going to give that aroma, that good nice flavor in your beans. So it's very important to have that. And what I'll be doing next is I have to also slice my onion. Very important. So you can as well put your pepper in it, but today I'm not going to be using pepper. As I earlier said, it's party beans, so there'll be some guests that will not like eating sharp pepper. I'm a lover of pepper, but since it's for party, I'm not going to put any pepper in it. Normally, I could have also added my crayfish in the beans, but I will not also put crayfish because some people may be allergic to crayfish. So I always avoid putting some certain things in my food when it comes to party. Yeah, that is just me. I have to put in my tomato in the pot. And since the tomato is having much water in it, I have to leave the tomato for 15 minutes for the water to get dry off. After 15 minutes, then I have to put in my oils. Put in my oil, and what next I have to do is I have to put in my gizzard. So let's stay tuned and watch how the video goes. So guys, this is how the beans looks like. Since I'm waiting my tomato to get ready for to get dried, the water to get dry up for 15 minutes, what I have to do next is I have to be washing my beans, and that is how the beans looks like. I wash these beans and make sure I clean everything and this water up from it. I wish we could have the beans in the glass bottle than the can. I would have loved to have this one from the glass bottle than the one in the can, but still I have to manage this. This is all what we get. My tomato is all dry. You see the water is all dry. I have to now put in my vegetable oil. Then I fry the tomato for about 3 minutes. After frying the tomato for 3 minutes, what I have to do is I bring in my gizzard, put in my gizzard, and I fry the gizzard with this tomato together for 7 to 10 minutes. So that the gizzard should be really spiced up and tasteful. Make sure I fry my gizzard with Maggi, ginger and garlic, and with all the spices I'm about to make fry the beans. Fry it together. So guys, as you can see, that is for me to make my gizzard really tasteful. What I did is I first of all have to use a bit of my ginger and garlic. I put Maggi, I put my paprika spice, and I put in my curry. Then I fry it for 7 to 10 minutes. My onion as well. As you can see, that is my onion. So guys, that is my gizzard that's fried already for 10 minutes. I put already my ginger and garlic, my complete ginger and garlic, fried for 10 minutes. What next I have to do is I have to bring in my green spices. Then this one I just have to leave it for just 1 minute. Then I put in my beans, then I fry it together. So that is it, guys. I have to be frying this for 2 minutes. See how yummy it is. What I'm going to be using these beans to eat is, you can use this bean to eat with rice, or you eat with some sweet plantains. We call it dodo. Yes, we call it dodo, but you can as well. That is my beans already washed, so I'm going to put it now in the pot and fry it. Going to fry it now for 5 to 7 minutes. I don't have to leave it that much. You know, these beans already well cooked, and if you keep these beans for it to stay too long, then you know it's going to be like too soft. So I'm going to be frying these beans for 5 to 7 minutes, then it's ready. See guys, that is my beans. I've added a little bit of seasonal Maggi in it, and then I put 2 Maggi and a pinch of salt. You know, these canned beans sometimes are already been spiced with like salt, so I always avoid putting more salt. So yeah, I've fried my beans already for 5 to 7 minutes, and now what I have to do is I'll add a little bit of like a half glass of water in it. Then I leave it again to stay for, after frying it for 5 to 7 minutes, I leave it to stay now just for 3 minutes. Then it's ready. 3 minutes is ready. Then I have to, now the last thing that I have to put in is my paprika. I don't want my paprika to be that soft. Since it's vegetable, it's always good not to be that too soft. So that is why paprika is always the last. That's my half glass of water you have to put in. So that is my last recipe that I put in my food, in my fried beans. So it's paprika. I'm going to be leaving it just for 2 minutes, then the food is ready to serve. If you love this video, guys, write a comment section what you think about this video, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. The notification bell is next to the subscribing button. And see you next time. Bye.